Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub and we are discussing question number 4A. Before starting this, if you need 100 marks in your assignments, so you can get a Encyclo Hub assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. For this, you have to just contact us on our WhatsApp number 9009368238. Kindly note this number by name of Encyclo Hub and you can get a good marks in your assignment. And if you need any help other, you can also contact. Now question number 4 is to answer any one of the following questions. So you have to just only one question. So first 4A is prepare pie diagram of given expenditure of a family on various items. So in this one you will be prepared for the pie diagram and the data is given also for items and expenditures. So this question is taken from lesson 7 and you have to answer in the 100 to 150 words. If you need the answers, you can contact us anytime. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon and we are here for help you. Thank you.